Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very exciting because these are two dongles and you know that dongles are my favorite. So this is FiiO JA11 and its price is just $15 and the special thing about this one is that it is mic and inline control capable. So let's unbox it and then we'll talk about it more. So it is available in two colors, one is silver and one is black, and you can see that the presentation is very minimalistic but it's good as well. So this one is black one, so it's all the same, but actually I really like the wrapping and this style as well. It's good actually. So let's see what we get. This one is a quick start guide, I think, but I think it doesn't need a quick start guide to be honest, but let's see what we get. So these are all the specs of FiiO JA11 Dac and headphone amplifier, and you can see that it has more than 800 sales on AliExpress as well. So now let's check out the product itself. I'll show you both together. Wow, they are actually very small and they look very good. Should I zoom in for you? So now I will zoom in for you. So these are the FiiO JA11. I will zoom in more for you. So you can see that the quality is very good. So you may already know that I have used a lot of dongles, but most of these dongles get corrupted, but not the bigger dongles. You may know them very well. For example, like these dongles don't get corrupt easily, but in my case when I use these dongles I don't know how they get corrupted. So I am very excited, and this one is the reason I'm very excited for them is because I love them. Dongles are my favorite products to review, and the second reason is because of their price. They are just $15, so it's cheap as well. And the third reason is because of its mic and inline controls capability, because I really need to use my mics, so that will help me for sure. And you can see that this is the KA11 and its price was $30 and it was really good and it was really powerful. So this one is cheap, and you can see in comparison that this one is cheap, but let's see how it performs. So I think without wasting time I should now use it, and I will use it with a lot of IEMs and headphones, and then I will make my honest opinion about this product, and I will review it for you. So stay tuned. Friends, welcome to my review section. Important note for you guys to know that I am making this review after 12 days exactly. Let's start my review. I have regularly used this IEM for 12 days, and honestly speaking I have become a fan of this dongle, and I'll tell you why. I've always wanted a dongle like this which should have these four qualities. First of all, it should be cheap, and the second thing is that it should have a balanced output, I mean neutral sound, and the third point is that it should have mic and inline controls capability, and the fourth point is that it should be flexible and not too rigid. And I have used this black dongle for 12 days straight, but not this one. and all the qualities are found in this FiiO JA11 dongle. And if I tell you more, it's light and compact as well, which is also a good thing. And as far as its power is concerned, it's not as powerful as FiiO KA11, but it's fine for me because I didn't use KA11 at higher volumes as well. So it works great for me. It adopts the audio very well, and I didn't find any changes in the sound like bass drop or treble increase, etc. It's a perfectly balanced dongle for every type of user, and I absolutely recommend it. Let's talk about one issue that some people are facing. Because it has an app control and has customizable EQ option available, so some people are doing firmware update for this device using FiiO's app, which is perfectly fine, but some have reported that their dongles are not working after updates. So I also ask you to not update it yet because there is no need, and you can wait for FiiO response to this thing as well. So here ends my review. I 100% genuinely recommend this product. This is my dream dongle. I absolutely love it, and you can see that now it has 1000 plus sales on AliExpress as well. So if you are interested in this dongle, I have provided the link in the top of my description along with the discount codes. Use them if you are interested, and I think I'll use these dongle regularly, and I don't need another dongle for my usage. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Be happy.